Huawei introduced HarmonyOS Next 5, hailed as the pure-blood HarmonyOS. Hailed as the pure-blood HarmonyOS by netizens. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The release marks a significant milestone in the Huawei journey toward creating a fully self-developed operating system. HarmonyOS Next 5 is the most substantial upgrade since the system's inception. The OS designed with native intelligence. The OS is designed with native intelligence, security, and seamless interconnectivity, offering smoother performance, better battery life, and improved AI integration. Equipped with the advanced Yaoi assistant powered by Huawei Pengu AI model. HarmonyOS Next 5 offers smart solutions like automated document summaries. That's all for now, and thanks for watching.